Hello, my people. How una dey? I greet the house. Hope say una dey fine from Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. Una do well as una take dey comment, like, share. God go really bless all of una. Una do well. My people, this one wey I carry come today, this video I see am about 2 days ago. I no get time to talk about am. So today na say me I just quick talk about this video. I'll put the full video. Una go lis ten to this lady. Na France na she dey. No, me I no know. More na no vex for my brothers and sisters. Because me I know say for frustration, depressed na real. Una understand? Na real. But one thing wey I come dey think, because I pick many things for inside this video, I go still put on, I go still pick wetin una wan pick for inside, una fit throway the rest. E say because as me take hear wetin she dey talk, e say e no get papa, get mama again. And e get 3 children for home, come still get another 3 for here. Wait oh, person, you wey get 3 pikin for house, you dey here, wetin dey pursue you dey go? Wetin dey pursue you dey go? To born another 3 again? I no know wetin dey worry some of our people. Or maybe dem dey think say if dem dey born, dem dey give dem document. I no know sha, because me I no understand most of our people, I no know wetin dey do dem. Wetin carry you comot for home? You never even say okay, since you dey western world, make you first think about that one wey carry you come. Before you go dey do say I wan born for here, I wan born for there, I wan born for the other, I wan born for there. Na that one carry you come. First of all, wetin carry you come? First of all, na be that one. No be say you no get pikin, you get pikin. Thank God you don first born 3 dey home. Why you no just do wetin carry you come? Fight for your document. Because dem dey think say dem born, dem go give dem document. Me I no understand. Maybe dem dey do am for France like that o. I no know. Because if you born for Oyibo, say na Oyibo na you born for, na dem go give you document say you no get document. Dem must give you because you marry, you born for their people. Dem must give you that one. That one na sure banker. Once you follow Oyibo say you born for am, you no get paper, dem go make sure say dem give you. Because you don born citizen. Because some of our people wey dem come, dey think say okay, dem just come, dem start to dey born. Dem dey born citizen. You no dey born citizen. You no dey born citizen because no be Oyibo you born for. No be Oyibo you born for. You no get document, dem no still give your pikin. The pikin wey you born for here now, when the pikin go come dey 18 years, na go come fight for a document. Some of our people, dem no understand all these things. E go come dey fight for a document because you wey born now, you no get paper. No be say you carry belle say okay, as I just born, dem just give me paper. Dem no dey work like that. Otherwise, everybody for dey do am. Whether dem dey tell dem lie or dem go just true say na that lie na be the truth, dem go just dey do am like that. Like this one now, e dey talk about one boy like that wey born pikin for wey dem dey call Austin, wetin dem dey call am sef? Austin something like that. Austin something like that, na im dey call. I'll put the video, una go lis ten. He born for that one. He say the one wey he come say he use the kpeku take cook for am. Say he wash am take cook for am. Can you imagine wetin person dey talk come out? I know say she no dey normal o, because this one na those people wey go drink finish. When he go drink finish, he go use this thing take top am. Always see me na senior ya top wetin dey do una get problem for brain. Why you no think about yourself before you say you wan put pikin? You never dey okay, you go dey put pikin. Which brain you wan take come sit down take train that pikin? You wey no get brain, because now like this one now wey come dey do like this now, later now Oyibo na wetin dem go do? Dem go pick that pikin wey e born, dem go collect am for im hand because dem say she no dey normal. E no fit take care of pikin. E no fit take care. And the worst part of it is say if dem even though say she even carry another belle, she go still born am. Na im pikin na im she go born. I no know, some people dem no dey reason well. Na pikin be your problem. If na pikin be your problem, you for sit down for home now, make you dey born for there, dey give dem garri. You wey don't forget Tiri. Instead of you to stay here, make you think about that Tiri wey dey home as you want to fight for them. Make they take get better life. When they'll come out, they'll say, yes, it really show for their body, say the mother they abroad. See you now, he wear pants, he wear brazier. He stand for there, they do they cause the Austin for there. I don't know what the Austin do. I say that he born for the Austin also. Wetin they pursue now they go? Una come for straight finish now. Una come dey misbehave for social media, do anyhow. Now person send una, wetin you come find for abroad? And that one me I dey talk. Wetin you come find for abroad? As you come, na so that Austin come, na so the other one come. Una no dey use una brain. You come look for money. Austin come look for money also. Abi no be money una come find for here. All of una come find money for here. The Austin Ogiono you wey you dey talk, he come still find money for here. Una come dey misbehave. No be pikin, no be the first thing wey you come find for here. If na pikin, you for stay home. Mona the reason, mona sit down. I know say frustration dey. I know say many things dey cause am. But first of all, take care of yourself before you want take care of small pikin before you go say you want take care of baby wey you want born. Because na brain, without your brain, how you want to take care of pikin? Our people know the reason like that. They are, if I just reach there, since they no want give me document, me I just kukuma born. If I born, they'll come give me paper. Who tell you that one? Who tell una that one say if you reach here, if they not give you document, you just carry belle, anyone where you just see, you just born for them. They will give you paper. No, but you know they work like that. You they put more frustration for your body because that paper they not go give you. The pikin not go get paper. Till the pikin go reach 18 before he go fight for himself. If you not reach here, now say you wey don't forget pikin, especially those one wey don't forget pikin, wait till they pursue you, they go. Take care of the one where you get for home first. Take care of them. Not be to born. Now, how to take care of that pikin? Person fit born 100 pikin. How you want to take care of them? Now, that one, I make oyibo then they born 1 or 2. Or if it's too many, go be 3. They know they born past that one. Because now the one where they fit born, now they take care of. And why we know they think like that? Una don't still come abroad. Now they do the thing where they do before for home. Now still carry and come here. You get 6 children. You 30 something years. Now maybe now you go there. When you go call reach 40, you can't get 20 pikin. That one alive. That one not be life. Try to take care of yourself. Those one where you don't born, so okay, you don't born there. Try to settle down. Try to they okay before they'll collect that pikin for your hand. Because so they know they think 2 times. One they say small pikin, where small children they say, you know they okay. You get a problem for brain, you get depressed, frustration don't enter your body. They'll just remove those children for your hand. They'll remove van, not the way you fit do to collect them again. Even though you say you don't they okay, they'll still they postpone now because they want make them see real person say you they okay. Otherwise, they know they give you again. Some of our people when they'll collect the pikin, they know they give them again. They know they give them. I don't know what they do our people. And our brothers them, mona still they use what they agbero bajo, mona they use aba. Me, I no understand una. This one will come, go say I get belle from this one. This one will come. I know say that they use belle till they hold una. But mona still they wise now. Those men. Mona still they wise. Not be only make person not get belle, and I make them they use that rubber. Not be only that one. Sickness for everywhere. Anywhere wanna see, none they chook put. Anywhere wanna see, una chook and put. Una not know whether the person is they okay, not they okay. Well, una chook for there, go chook for there. What did they do una? Now not they use una brain. The thing just tire me. If I just see some of video, I say, what did they do us this one? Una know what carry una con at all. Abi una no know what una can do for here. Now born una con born. Document you not get. You never even think as you want to fight for your document. You want go carry another pikin, call join the one where you did. That one not be frustration. That one not they call frustration. Like this one, now this one frustrates. Frustration ain't there because you go come look and say 3 day house, 3 day here, paper not there, anything not there hand. Go not go, come not come. But now you do yourself. As you come, so you sit down, you think about the children where you live for house. When it concern black person will not get document. Now person will get document, now you go fair say you want carry. Especially those of una wey get pikin like this. First of all, find oyibo wey no born again. Make sure say you put your head for there. You make sure say that your pikin, you try carry dem come. Una no get sense. Common sense una no get. Later una come dey shout. You wan born for black, problem no dey. But the one wey you first get, why you no train am? Why you no make sure say e dey okay? When the person will see am, they will say, e really show say im mother dey care for am. Like this one now, you go see the children now. Na who you give now? Because as she talk, she no get mama, she no get papa. Maybe na her sister na dey trade those children dey go. You no know whether they dey trade them well or they no dey trade them well. But you can't carry, you reach abroad, instead of you to sit down, think wetin you can't do for you can't carry another problem put for your body again. Later now say na home problem. Now this one dey worry me, na the other one na dey worry una sef, because na dey use una hand take dey cause am. No be person dey worry you, no be person tell you say come born another one wey you know say you fit get 3. You never fit even train dem finish. You never even see food eat finish. I no know wetin dey do our people. Na so some of our black still dey men. They go say make woman born for them. When woman don born for them finish, now they will come dey run dey go. Wetin dey do una? Na that one na the problem, na that problem na carry una come here. You never stand well. You dey find another pikin wey you wan put join yourself. Then go become the 2 problem. You go come dey fight your own document, dey fight your pikin own. First of all, before you say okay, Jess, you go first stand well. Jess say you don use your 2 leg take stand. I put the video, my people. Mona listen, Mona watch am, Mona help me show na bye bye, na do well.
God bear me witness. I will still have that baby because they are my life. They are my everything. They are the one that I'm suffering for today. Imagine the pikin when I live for 2 years. It was 2 years that boy day when I said leave her, which is 2009. That man when I bought for Europe, say what keep my pikin. If I show una some records on this phone, God, I don't know why some men are very heartless. I don't know why some men are heartless. And so also with some women, not only men, because as it be for a man, as well it be for a woman. The way you buy your pikin, you go dey threaten people, they find their address. You don't see their address, you say you will say I am killer. The boss said it with you. Now know why they cry. I repeat her. My mother don't enjoy me, my father don't enjoy me. The innocent children when I start to the at the age of 15, I've been at 16 years. Now to say we'll come keep for the air. The beginning when I born at the age of 16 or 15 years. All to say we'll come kill out of that. When the boy don't be 15 years old. All still give where they boy your ass food. I don't know where they put that ass food. But to know what you said I was the 4 flat, okay, boy, you lion face, but now you have a pikin. See Morocco, see Spain, when I see me see Wahala. I see me see trouble. You don't have person what's up, not the right rubbish. I don't understand, bro. Iya wa mana tie ba ati o ki me mana tie bo du mo si o ke mo yo wi me o tie bo du we. Yo get se fo bu e bo bu e family we here the truth matter. Wa ti ono na we but we are a family or in there. Iya pick ko di we. O tie bo no vi je me o tie bo no vi ra me. O tie bo no vi me ni me you we me ya bi all you we self in the web bi o you want me to be sending your record, you want me to be playing it. Even your own daughter, when I even born for you call her a lot of names. You one way you never call that innocent baby. That is why I tell you, say me or woman, no be yourself again. I will take a year and paper, go take give your mama for Nigeria. I'll still give money. The boss. I will take a year and paper to your parents in Nigeria. And I told you before, if you want to date me or still give money, go and meet your wife. Tell your wife, say now wetin you want. Say now you they want me, now you they disturb me. Tell your family Friday, Mama Junior, Baba Osa, Papa, the name is call of the osteogemoid, the boss. Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself and stop deceiving your own daughter. You know they suffer your innocent daughter because I don't tell you before say I want, but you force me. I say God picking while and I baby. All because of document. When I show people document, they just said I did joke. All because of document. You even talk out with your mouth. This photo off. Area Boshi. Ẹgbẹ́ ṣe é lò mẹ́. Ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ lò mẹ́. Rí àti rẹ̀ mẹ́rẹ́ lè ní àárẹ̀ dára bọ̀ bò. Ọ̀wé ìrùtà wíńtà nìyẹn wé. Ìyẹn bá ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn mẹ́. Dáná mi ẹ̀wù wẹ̀ mẹ́ kí mẹ́wẹ́ mẹ́ bí ẹni yóò wúra. Mẹ́ ń sọ wúwẹ́ màá wẹ̀. Ó náà rí ẹni ló náà rí àárẹ̀ wọ̀ bò. Òwe ní ayá mẹ́ yàkìyàn mẹ́rẹ́. Èmi ètò ló sì yá ọ̀rẹ́ ní ní bàtà. Ọ̀sà ló bà náà ṣe agbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ẹni. Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ́ yìí lẹ́kẹ̀ tán yìí lẹ́ka tó sí. I was labor when you use that as usual for me. I labor for good 4 days for me to give birth to my baby. All the naga egbera me when I wrote to Lucy, man is when the okay. If I need to Lucy, yeah, I mean it's quite. 4 good days. I say labor. The last day, not of God, I said nothing they do me. I look left, I look right. I don't. If Papa say you go fuck with me, I say. I don't fuck with any man. God, you know the government or Sanopo. I want job on him. He can be the on the 6th baby. He can be Baba. Warrior mona yomeko. E keri yari aje keri yari arave. He lose someone. I ain't here pure mona Baba. Get officially I am to come like keri yari aje keri yari wedge. Don't hear any no vision and I was pregnant. I was jumpy because when I want that baby to contact. I succeed for that my hand in hand. I succeed and I crossed the boundary. The day when he said make I die, or me and my daughter, God not let her happen. Confusion enter her body. Which everybody for Toulouse, they know everything. That you will be rats. See Morocco, say Spain. Say you are talking the innocent son. Because I say I don't want to get. Then you go meet your wife for Nigeria. Go and meet Maria. Osteogemoid. Go and meet your wife. Oh no, my when I'm born, you have someone here. You don't know that the kid there is dead. That's why you know money, not the sweat person money. Why? Because you need that money. Now you got to tell me say what's happen. See Morocco, see Spain. Morocco and Spain are what I separate from. Guy, you take the base. Then your leo Osteogemoid. A family share me one a day on a leo. If I go to Nigeria, I be there. They can one and ballon me why I ram a qua. I bought every gear can one and ballon me no any cow. Austin of your game or she when I not see sure and I say round the sister when all get different children for different men like me. Osteogemoid, you want me a hustle. Yeah, I think forgive a family, but when he beard was he forgive you as many renamo. Oh, yeah, I'm web of bossing of your game, or yeah, web of bossing of your game. Yeah, you're a way, yeah, Nicket, but what's in over here, yeah, that's your program. Oh, get out for yeah, web of way, Nicket, in the Facebook, I Nicket in my way, oh, yeah, I'm going to bring my what's in over here, except you leave me alone for my waist. If you don't leave me, this pussy where you shot, I use pussy water cook for that one. I use the beginning of you because I did on my own. I not tell you say I want person your husband. You tell me say you never marry. You don't get husband. I use that pussy water they cook for you. Then you shop so that you'll be on my own. Your wife say is strong. You go native doctor. Let's fight. Osteogemoid. Now where they talk to. I don't forget. I don't finish with their family. In their family, in the Wahoo, oh, we have our talent. Why I'm not for a bit there. I'm gonna bring my wife, but I'm going to bring my wife. I am not for it. But not teaching over here. If they see no as you better, I'm gonna bring my wife. ke ya uno. Then be say we get no wrong. Obi na me no vision na ke wari ni right ke wari de. Tu wa na de kia wa ni ro. Una me no kia believe you wa. O na ne no kia le you wa gbe. And then you wa ni right generation give you wire to come to start with. Now that no na they go kill their children. Now that na they go survey on their children body. Now that na they go kill their children generation. So their children to children to children. If you now go native doctor and you have that native doctor, you will crush to fire. If you now take my name to native doctor because I do like Facebook, you are that native doctor now crush to fire. By thunder, by fire, every knee shall bow. The one we better cause the result of that useless woman body. Now so go sit the carry on they go. Woman now so the open wild bear. We don't be the sensitive with it. We are the sensitive. If now my vision is better than what really are you right now? Why me a bit? We don't see no game or you know wrong. One bear my way. I'm bunny and here again in my way. I'm bunny and here again in my way. We are at o matter me jogo wo beg jouer o matter me jouer where we threaten is where a record the way ya people will still hear it. May anything happen to my family, may anything on my son, my precious son when I never see for 13 years, I've been 12 years now. Such a competition. You see this your pikin, you see this one, all your gamer you see her. I go use a cook pepper soup for you, may you shop her. Il y a le pepper soup, il y a excuse, il y a le pepper soup. We are in a il y a une kebab by il a Nigeria in a bon shiva so il y a belle mo when il y a yo wow qui joue comme how qui vit where il belle ja jo bet me. This I call this France, I don't go Spain, I don't go Italy, so I don't go chop Aduro and the France properties. I go to this France in 2009. I'm still in France in Toulouse. I've never make a move. Say, I want to go this one, I want to go this one. And the first print, they go, no. When I want the print, they are always with me at home. Aussi, on vient de manger. Et veille à lui, vient la pomme, et là. Ou saignez, c'est la pomme. Aussi, on vient de manger. Et pour rien à mieux. Then, we are not seeing me, you want that car bomb. Oh, Nani, oh, here, boué. Oh, Nani, oh, here, la wepe. Oh, Nani, oh, here, soup, joué. Aussi, on vient de manger. Nera keri pamo sare gift no sare ere je mu no money me bia no we o sa no wa o fi an punish we iye ke we ya ya wo so we are this is just the beginning of you iya wo dem na bi ala we pe omo si no we ke mo yi na fi o be you go send me record my children something my junior sister now I don dey cry for phone which kind man is this when you for see man you dey call your thinking family or Gemoyi family wey useless they can't talk to you or Gemoyi family wey stupid they can't talk to you they fear you because you be higher killer guy na once they die me fear you wan kill me. That's how I'll kill you. You know go Nigeria. Anybody where may mess with black cars, they mess with anybody that mess with black girl, guy, you mess with the wrong person too. The way you be iron man girl, and I say I be your black, I'm gonna put you down with my pussy. I go fall you down. I mean with that pesh woman with the pesh, where you say not get mercy. I go fall you with my pussy. As you say you be strong man, Austin. Now I'll tell you, say me. You say you play in 2006. Before you enter base, you go see Spain. After we did secondary school. People when me know, they are born people in the mention. Name tell us your Gemoyi. Lion face. Number what it be Mama Ostifor flats. Yes. Ostifor flats I'm talking to you. The lion face, I'm talking to you. Now you are the talk to. Ostifor flats, the lion face, I'm talking to you. Now me all my black girl that you deal with, that you mess up with. I'll use my pussy to fall you down. Emma ya no where win now, who don't win now? Me, I be on win now, baby. I grow for win now. I grow for Kenwa Road. I grow for Isha. How you want it? Even though I don't know the street, but if I enter, I will remember the street name. You also Gemoyi. Let's play the game. Say, you don't want to do this one. You were married because of paper. You got born. leave woman, but that is why I said make sure that word. You will know the woman have children. You will still come and oh God. You pretend fake love. You do fake love. You want to tell me, hey, I love you because the thing when I want, they not still give me is, oh God, for you to say that already, you make me go crazy. Meaning you get me pregnant because of paper. You get me pregnant because you want to have a document. You don't have feeling for me. Oh, I said, this kind of boy, man, remove a corner. I go shook out for you hair. He go follow your back. He go follow a comment. Not be loud. Not be loud. I use it to do rag. You clean my house. As I say, they stay this house. Or still get on you clean this house. Then you cook my food. Wash my plate. Is it true of us? Are you not my servant? Before you can feel wrong, come up for this house. Thank God say you are talking for your Facebook, say they tie you into bondage. That is just the beginning of time. Me and you, it never finish. Okay, manave agbe, ugbogodo, okay, I'm swear. You see me with 4 children. In fact, 3 children in France. Yeah, I was with 3 children in France. If you don't do it like that, I deal with 3 children where you meet me with. You see your wife from Nigeria, Maria, you not go see her at this year. I swear to Almighty God. I go use anything. You said me they use my money to the smoking book. Because of your see, I know they smoking go again. I go use that money. I go use that to deal with you. I go use that money. I go use that to put you for trouble. I don't do your wife anything because she not do anything. But you, osteogemosis, this is just the beginning. The pussy where you lick, so you see this pussy where you lick. You never lick am. When I take cook pepper soup for you, you never chop am. This is just the beginning. You dey chop am, they come. You dey eat am, they come. Until you stay away from my son, my destiny. You stay away from ma. If you dey find person where you want kill us, you give money the boat. Go kill your son, your promoter. Go kill your gift, Osavia, or kill Maria, or your mother where you born you. Where be say nothing give you advice how to live your life in Europe. Go and kill your mother with your own best hand. Osteo came on you the boss. Who be a bell yell? Who be a meow? Who when I hear who are who back man? Who would tell when you when no are still okay, Moji. For how we for what are good or sit man? Why can't you Nigeria? Oh, yeah, tell me of it. Hey, the Aja boy. You are going to women are yes, so that be so. Some of them are very useless and sticky. That's why go Facebook that day. She's not a bad. She's not your Facebook. She'll make she's not a bad. 4 weeks, she's not a bad, but that 4 weeks total. If I open now, you go shoot your prick, you go to begin to the mash out. If I open the total the way I open now, so you they begin to the mash out. They sweet you. So that they shake, because they sweet you. But I'm not bad for the pussy they enter your brain. Idiot fool like you. Oswald. You don't want the pussy fuck. You want that. Begin to the call all my family. Begin to the call people we're not supposed to call. Begin to the make call we're not supposed to talk. All because you don't see pussy where you want fuck again. All because you don't see pussy where you want to do. You begin to the talk rubbish. To the talk what you are not see. Talk the right way you see. Begin to the talk all of them. Also you go see your hair. This is just the beginning. Don't be loud. This is just the beginning of us. Every day no raw. Ekeluwanari animewa. Yeah, the Nigeria woman when you where